had been very stormy and windy on the island of Sodor, and all the engines had been worried about getting derailed or crashing. James, however, was not worried at all. He boasted about how he was the only engine who could handle the biting winds. This made the others cross, but James didn't care and continued boasting. One day, James backed into the empty sheds after a busy day. He was glad they were empty because he really wanted to rest after all the work he had done that day. Suddenly, the wind picked up and the turntable was blown towards the ditch siding that Gordon had slid into all those years ago. And then James was blown backwards into the ditch. When James was rescued in the morning, he now learned that he should never underestimate the power of wind.